Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Find Out Friday video. I'm Natalie from the Cereals and Oilseeds Knowledge Transfer team, and today we'll be looking how to navigate our fungicide performance data webpage. Our fungicide performance work provides high quality independent information on the effectiveness of fungicides against key diseases in wheat, barley and oilseed rape. There's a lot of information around this, so it's good to know where it sits on our website. To get to the right page, you can enter ahdb.org.uk/fungicide-performance or type AHDB fungicide performance into your search engine. It should show right at the top of your results. Integrated pest management, or IPM, is at the heart of disease management. But where sprays are necessary, AHDB's efficacy results can help to build an effective fungicide programme. You can learn more about IPM, disease management and fungicide programmes for cereals by clicking through to the following links. Any publications can be downloaded or order a printed copy straight to your door by emailing publications@AHDB. To learn more about our fungicide performance trials and how they've been conducted, follow this link. A project that continues into 2021 is the ADAS and AHDB Wheat Fungicide Margin Challenge. This project aims to connect farmers across a network of regional sites to develop crop management strategies that focus on margin maximisation rather than headline yields. If you scroll further down, you can find results for fungicide performance in wheat, barley and oilseed rape separately. This includes the performance data results for 2020 with videos, fungicide programmes and other latest reports. You'll find on the right-hand side of the page show suggested videos, including our latest webinars and performance updates, which can also be viewed for our AHDB Cereals and Oilseeds YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this Find Out Friday video and keep an eye out for next week's.